Hey moms, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves. Today's video is a little bit different because I'm going to show you guys a little haul of things that I've been purchasing. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start from like face wash, I guess. So the first thing is actually my badescu skincare. This is the enzyme cleansing gel. This is for all skin type. I really love this. I actually used the travel size of this before I purchased the whole one just to make sure I like it, and I really love it. It cleanses so good. It's perfect for all skin types, so no matter what skin you have, it's good. And like I said, they have a travel size, which is a plus. This is also so great, you guys, like how the packaging is. Actually, they're whoa, mine is cracked. Whoa, I hope this still works. But anyways, you just push it out and then the products comes out and you just close it after. It's very, I feel like it's very cool and it's like more sanitary that way. But yeah, badescu in general is a very good brand. I got mine from Nordstrom Rack, if I didn't mention that already. And their products is made in USA. I bought this for $14, so the regular price is a little bit more, I believe. But yeah, this is gonna last me a while because this type of cleanser is, even though it's a gel type of consistency, it's a little thick, so it's really like a little bit goes a long way and it does the job for ya. So yeah, this is what I use for nighttime now. It looks like brand new because I still have been using the travel size, but I'll be starting using the big size now. Okay, next products I want to show you guys is actually the Soap and Glory product. I feel like this is the first time I ever used their brand, this brand. This is the In the Glow How 5% glycolic acid exfoliating tonic exfoliant. So this is it says reveal radiant skin in one simple sweep. So it's pretty much a toner. I use this as a toner. The first time I used this, I used cotton, like flat cottons, and I ran out and I'm like, how am I gonna use this? But actually it's very simple. You can just grab it and put it in the palm of your hand. Put your hands together and then press it on your skin. It's very easy, like using essence. It's very cool, you guys. That's what I've been using it for, because like I said, I wanted to reduce my footprint. I wanted to reduce the waste that I use, at least start there. So that's why I don't really try to buy any cotton rounds anymore. I just use my hand or use some, you know, other things, use reusable cotton round maybe, or things like that, but I don't want to use the things that I have to throw away all the time. So yeah, anyways, this is really good. It does what it says. It pretty much just help your skin glow. Like you guys know, I have those marks on my face, the acne scars, so I use this to, you know, try to brighten that up. It helps with my serums as well. So that's pretty much actually the skincare. I believe it's very small. It's a very small haul, but I'm gonna move on to another, I guess, hygienic thing. It's something new that I want to introduce to you guys. Is actually this Dossier. The brand is called Dossier. They reached out to me and wanted to send me products, and it was perfect because I wanted to get something for my husband for Father's Day. And so, you know what, I'm like, yeah, go ahead and send it to me and we'll check it out. This is packaging. It's very bright and nice, and this is what it looks like inside. So yes, as you can see, it's a perfume and cologne. So Dossier is actually like a dupe, luxury dupe type of company, but they make like great perfumes. So it's like a dupe of any luxury perfume that you have in a very affordable price and most sleek packaging. Yeah, Dossier is based in France, in Paris. They do like a whole lot of stuff. If you go on their website, I'm there on their website right now, there's a lot of things to choose from, you know, women and men. And like I said, I got this for my husband for Father's Day, and he wore it a couple days ago, and oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. It smelled so good on him, and it actually lingered for a while. Like it like lasted on his shirt for like the whole day. I kept on smelling him. Oh, and then look at the closure. It has some, do you guys hear that? So I'm gonna go ahead and go to their website right now and show you guys like what the citrus ginger is inspired by. Citrus ginger is the Chanel's Bleu de Chanel. Yay! So that's what it is. The citrus ginger is based on the Chanel's Bleu de Chanel. I never let's be honest. Okay, I never smelled the Bleu de Chanel, but if it smells like that, oh my gosh, I love it. So anyways, if you guys want to get your own Dossier, I'll leave the link down below for my discount, and I will let you know if you get any discount, percentage discount with that. Also, I'll leave the link down below, so don't forget to check out the link below. Once again, this is not sponsored, I'm not getting paid to say this, but I genuinely like the product. So that's that. Moving on. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to another the makeup products, I guess. I got this, oh my gosh, I've been using it for every day pretty much. I have this Pixi Skin Treat Glow Mist. This is the Propolis and Argan Oil, Popoli and Huile d'Argan. So I actually have been using this as toner, you guys. When I was moving from my old house to my new house, we stayed there for a little bit, and I didn't want to like pack like cotton round and the toner and then the makeup remover and all that stuff, so I wanted to just go light. So this is what I used as a toner and makeup setting spray also. I pretty much I will talk to you guys again about this in another video, because there's so many ways to use this, and the mist is so good, you guys. Like like it's compared to my elf one, that's like, this mist is perfect. So that's another makeup that is from Target. Soap and Glow is from Target. The next item is actually a MAC lipstick, you guys, and this is pretty dark. This is not a summer thing, but I got this from Poshmark. Actually, I'm trying to sell a lot of things on Poshmark. Didn't get any chances yet so far. Nobody wants to buy my things, but I got this MAC lipstick. The reference is Dark Side. So this is how it looks like. It's brand new, never used, as you can see, but they just sold it on Poshmark. They probably are not ever gonna use it. That's why they sold it. So anyways, yeah, I'm super excited to use this. Obviously, probably not right now, but you know, fall is coming soon, so can always wait for that. Wow, it's not bad actually. Kind of reminds me of like Elf Wine Tour or something like that, but darker. But this is the Dark Side. MAC Dark Side is actually the first MAC products I ever purchased myself. Second MAC products I ever purchased myself. Yeah, so anyways, last but not least, speaking of reducing my waste and everything, I got this from Nordstrom Rack. This is the makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. So this is pretty much like those things where I don't know if it works or not, but I'm gonna try it and it will be fantastic if it works. So it's pretty much like a cloth like this, and yeah, I'm gonna use it tonight to see how it works. You just pretty much add water and wipe off your face, and it's supposed to remove your makeup. So excited for that. Hopefully it works. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. It's a very mini haul, but it lasted for 15 minutes still. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching today's video. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I am back for good, I think. So yeah, come back for every Tuesday and Thursday. Upload at 8 a.m. Hawaii time or Pacific Standard Time. So if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.